My awful family wanted me to babysit all babies while they go on a 3-day vacation. So I decided to take my own vacation a day before they leave and make all their plans go to waste. My aunt is retiring. She's made plans to go on a cruise, 3 days stay in Hawaii, and then back. All her adult children are going. They invited our side of the family, nobody told me. I'm not on Facebook, which is the only place they communicate. They have my number but no one asked me though. My entire family made plans for weeks to go. They made accommodations and bought tickets for everything. No one mentioned it to me in all that time. Finally, it's a week away and I bring up to my family at our parents' house about how I hope she has fun and should get her a gift, and my sister says, yeah, grab her something, we'll give it to her on the cruise. This is the first I've heard about them going. They said they assumed I was staying to watch the babies for them, my cousin's 3-year-old, my sister's 2-year-old, and twin infants. I feel like they didn't tell me specifically so I'd be the only person not going and they could try to force all the kids on me. Well, I told them no thanks. I told them I still had time to make accommodations and come too and I would like to go. I honestly didn't want to go after feeling left out like that, but I figured maybe if it was an accidental issue of being left out they wouldn't mind. I took the time off and then my cousin, who was coordinating the entire thing, texted me saying she was so sorry but that there was no space left and she only secured enough for everyone that RSVP'd and the cruise is sold out, but I'm welcome to fly out and hang with everyone in Hawaii if I can find my own accommodations, but since everyone planned on me taking the kids I'd need to find childcare first. I told her nobody ever called me to even discuss me taking the kids. She didn't reply. Nobody was. So since I already had the time off, my husband, adult son, and I decided to take our own vacation. We all packed up the day before my family left and took off for a week-long vacation states away. I purposely didn't tell anybody. I started getting calls the next morning as everyone was coming to my house expecting to drop off their kids. I didn't answer. I refused their calls and ignored their messages the whole trip. We had a fantastic time and made great memories. When I got back my family was furious. They said multiple people had to drop out of the trip and couldn't get their money back because they couldn't find last-minute childcare. I told them that's too bad, that sucks so much, they should have arranged something before they left. I reminded them that no one ever set anything up with me, and since I already had the time off I decided to enjoy that with my family. I said, I'm sorry it didn't work out, but I never offered to watch anyone's kids. You all assumed I would because you didn't invite me to keep me free to watch them. You didn't coordinate, I had other plans, that's how it worked.